It's DJ's Preston Sports. We've just had this Ford Kuga Titanium X Sport, top of the range, just come into stock. Hasn't been valeted yet, just marketing it, it's just come in. As you can see, it's finished in lovely magnetic grey. Got the front park distance control, upgraded appearance pack alloy wheels, fully coated all the way around. Privacy glass to the rear parking sensors, lovely rear diffuser there, upgraded. It's a facelift model, it's got a lip spoiler, got electric windows, electric mirrors, half leather interior. Really has got a lot of good spec on this car. It's done 126 miles. Stop bleeping. Shut the door. Okay, so we've got satellite navigation on there. We've got full PARKTRONIC. Also down here helps you park. Climate control, air conditioning, full menu on the home screen, Bluetooth connectivity, entertainment system there, DAB radio, USB, 6-speed gearbox, cruise control, auto headlights. It's absolutely in lovely condition. Turn it on. At DJH, we offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.